I'm Creativecrambo, back with another one.
Yeah, so I want to give this interior door a brand new look. I'm going to change the colour. Also as well, I've got a bit of damage there to make good. Bit of a scratch on there. I need to fill that in with some wood filler. I'm also going to change the handle there. As you can see, the spring's gone in that one. It's just flopping about a little bit there. Going to change the handle. Also give the door a brand new look with new paint. The paint I'm going to be using, that's the Frenchic alfresco weatherproof inside and outside chalk and mineral and furniture paint. That's in the colour greyhound. That's the wood filler I'm going to be using. That's the wood filler natural in the run seal. I've also done a video on that one as well, and the easiest way out to mix up wood filler. Feel free to watch that one. These are the new handles I'm putting on. They're the ringed, polished, chrome finished Mortice snubs. They look really nice. I've got a few tools there as well to start me off. And sander. My first job will be to rub this whole door down. That will give it a nice key for the new paint. Then what I'll do is fill this this crack in here there with the wood filler and rub that down. Then all I'll do is take the handle off there, ready for the new one going on. But before I do that, I will paint this door, and then I'll rub it down again, and then paint the door again. So I'm going to give it 2 coats and then rubbing down in between. But first job, yeah, is rub down, fill that crack, take the handle off, give it a preparation, and I can go with the paint. Yeah, rub the door down now. I've took the handle off. The sandpaper I was using was a 120 grit, and I've just wrapped that around the pad just to make it easier for rubbing down. Gets it nice and flat. All I'm going to do now is fill this repair up here, and also fill these screw holes up as well. I'm not going to lay this on too thick neither. When this goes hard, it's quite hard to sand down. So you don't need to go too thick with it. I'm just going to feather that in. Just get that nice and flat a little bit. Just slightly proud you want to be. And then I'll just fill these little holes in here. Yeah, okay, so I'll leave that an hour. I'll let that go rock hard, and then I can sand that down. Yeah, so after about an hour, the filler was rock hard. I'll give that a proper good rub down. But I'm still not happy with it. It's got a little bit of a ridge there. I can just feel a bit of a ridge, just a raised area there. Looks like it's sunken in a little bit. So what I'll do is I'll give that a second fill, a really nice fine second fill, and just feather that in there. I'll let that go off again. I'll rub that down again, and that'll be a better job. Screws, yep, they're fine. That's nice and flat there. Happy with that, but not happy with that. I'll go again, rub it down again, then I should be ready for painting. Yeah, so much better now with a second fill on there. All nicely rubbed down as well, nice and flat. Better job. What I'll do is give this door 1 coat of paint, both sides. I'll let that dry, see how it looks, but more than likely I'll be doing 2 coats of paint and rubbing down in between. All I'm using is a small roller there, and that there is an 1.5 inch brush. Yeah, the first coat of paint that is now dry. That took about 15 minutes to dry, so it was quite quick. Gonna go over it again though, just a little bit patchy here and there. Definitely needs a second coat. And I had the choice of the roller or the brush, and I prefer the brush, to be honest with you. Got that done really quick with the brush. Got in these little groovy bits here, this bit of detail here as well, nice and easy with the brush. Definitely preferred the brush on that one. Give that another rub down, and then a second coat. Yeah, much better now with the second coat of paint. It definitely needed that. What I did in between coats as well was rub down, I used this 240 grit sandpaper. It's a little bit finer than the one I used for the first time. Give that a second coat. All I want to do now is get them Mortice knobs on there. The way I've been doing it is, what you got there is a bradawl, and what I want to do is make some palette holes with the new Mortice knobs. First thing you got to do is put your spindle into your Mortice knob, feed that back through. I've got some screws ready there as well. Now all I want to do is get into some fresh wood, and I think that's about there. Just going to use that bradawl to start me off and make a palette hole. What I'll do then is just get one screw into there. I'll do the same again. I'll do a palette hole. There's 4 screws to go in here, so let's get them screwed in. You don't need to use a drill with this, they're only small screws. The screwdriver will do just fine, you always lose one. Small little fiddly little things they are. But we got that there. Okay. That's it, that's one side finished there. And what I'll do is just repeat the process on the other side of the door. The Frenchic alfresco waterproof inside and outside chalk mineral furniture paint in the colour greyhound. Transform your door, give it a brand new look. Also added those Mortice knobs on there as well. They look really nice. The door's looking really good as well. I really like the colour there, greyhound. The paint is so nice to work with too. That's the other side. Yeah, so definitely give your interior door a brand new look. If you're using the Frenchic alfresco paint, you will find that it's really easy to use. I'll give this door 2 coats of paint. I'll rub down in between and then just put some nice new mortise knobs on there, new handles on there. Give it a brand new look. What's that, mate? Well happy with that.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Turn on notifications. And I'll see you in the next one.